Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we lock apps in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to lock apps in your Infinix phone device. So how can you lock today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. Friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting to lock your apps. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone security. Again scroll guys, click on app lock, and friends we will draw our app lock password. And friends, which app guys you want to lock guys, you can lock from here guys. You want to lock your YouTube and guys any another app guys. So friends, you can right side option like this lock icon guys, you will have to tap here, then get this icon will click, then get this app will lock. So we will lock at this some apps, and friends come back. So friends, you can see guys, I have logged my YouTube. So if I own my YouTube, so guys you can see I will have to draw pattern, then guys I can use my YouTube app. So like that guys, we can log apps in our Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys.